Today's featured car of the day is a 1972 Pontiac Firebird Formula 350 in this beautiful Sundance orange color. And this car looked like it was restored recently because the paint was perfect and the chrome was perfect, and just really had a good look to it with the rear spoiler, and everything was just right on it. Just really caught your eye, that's for sure, with the Sundance orange, which I guess is similar to the Hugger orange on the Camaro. But this one had the hood scoops in the front, had the 1 year only for 1972, the hexagonal egg crate grille, and you can see the headlight buckets on this car are like brand new as well. But this one just really had a good look. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And unfortunately, the owner wasn't around, so I couldn't get any information about the car as far as mileage or if it's a one-owner car or whatever. But it was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. As far as the Firebird went in 1972, this one is actually pretty rare. It's probably one of the rarest Pontiac models made in that series from 1970 through 1973. They only made 5,250 of them, and partly because of the strike that GM had in late 71 and early 72. So that kind of threw off the numbers. Basically, the formula was one model up from the Firebird Esprit, which had the same engine. They had dropped the Firebird 400 model, the Formula 400. That one they had dropped. Now it just became the Formula, but it was a Formula 350. And the base price dropped on it to $3,221 for the Formula model. Had the 350 engine with a two-barrel carburetor, and unfortunately only 170 horsepower, I believe, is what they showed for it. So it was the L30 350 with a two-barrel, 160 horsepower with 270 foot-pounds of torque. 1972 is also the year they went to the net horsepower rating, so everything kind of dropped down somewhat, but it clearly wasn't what it used to be, that's for sure. But still was a good-looking car, and probably a good candidate for an LS motor upgrade. It would really give you the performance to go with the looks on this guy. But basically, this was part of the second generation of the Firebird, which went from 1970 through 1981. And this generation mainly was 1970 through 73. Those all look very similar. And 72 was also the year that they quit making the car in Van Nuys, California. They were only building it in Norwood, Ohio then, from 1972 through 1981. And that's today's featured car of the day, a 1972 Pontiac Firebird Formula 350 in Sundance orange that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. But anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.